Hello guys, welcome to today's class. Today we'll be talking about derivative of a product. Of course, you know what product means, multiplication. Now, if we have a function y equals to u times v, okay, if you have this, then dy dx, the formula for derivative of a product is v the u over dx plus u dv over dx. So all you're doing is you are assigning the first as u and the second as v. So what the combination of this and this is just multiplication. So there's an increasing multiplication here. So we assign this to be u and we assign this to be v. Okay, so I'll have this to be y equals to 2 minus 2x squared raised to power 3 and 3x squared minus 1. So let my u is equals to 2 minus 2x squared raised to power 3 and v be 3x squared minus 1. Okay, now from the formula here I have my u, I have my v. So I need to find du over dx, I need to find dv over dx. Now what is my du over dx? Now my du over dx will now be when I differentiate this, I'll get my du over dx. And how do I differentiate this? Of course, if you remember that this is a composite function, and it will take us back, if you watch my previous video, to take you back to chain rule. Okay, chain rule or function of a function. So we use function of a function to differentiate this. Now let's differentiate this one. This is easy. We have dv over dx to be 6x. Now let's choose this side and differentiate this. Now we have y equals to 2 minus 2x squared raised to power 3. Okay, so function of a function, say let our u equals to 2 minus 2x squared, so that the u over dx will be minus 4x. Okay, now our y equals to u raised to power 3, so my dy over du will now be 3u squared. Okay, when we have this, we'll now say dy over dx will now be dy over du times du over dx. Now my dy over dx will now be my dy over dx will now be dy over du is 3u squared times my du over dx, which is minus 4x. And this will leave me with minus 12x u raised to power 2. And my u is 2 minus 2x squared raised to power 2. Okay, so this is the differentiation using chain rule or function of a function. So we'll bring that down here. We'll have minus 12x 2 minus 2x squared raised to power 2. Okay, so we have our v, we have our u, we have our du over dx, we have our dv over dx. So all we need to do is just to impute them into the formula. When we do that, we have our v as 3x squared minus 1 times du over dx minus 12x 2 minus 2x squared plus our u 2 minus 2x squared raised to power 3 times our dv over dx, which is 6x. Now you can actually stop here, because of course this would be too complicated for you to simplify. So this is how to find the derivative of a product. Okay, so most times your derivative of product will take you to the point where you have to use the chain rule or function of a function. So that would be like a previous knowledge, especially when you've learned how to solve function of a function. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Calculus 360, share, like, and comment. Thank you guys. See you.